In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a watch on eBay. Whether you're looking for a sleek new timepiece or a vintage classic, eBay's vast marketplace offers a myriad of options for every watch enthusiast. Let's dive into the steps to make sure you find the perfect watch that meets your needs. First, head over to ebay.com. Start by using the search bar, a handy tool to input what you're looking for. Let's say you're interested in a Seiko automatic watch. Just type that in and eBay will populate a list of offerings that match your criteria. Once you have a preliminary list, it's time to refine your search. Use the filters located on the left side of the screen. These filters are essential in narrowing down your options. You can filter by brand if you have a preference, or by movement type such as quartz or automatic. It's also important to consider the condition of the watch. eBay allows you to specify whether you want a new or pre-owned piece. Price range is another key consideration, allowing you to stay within your budget. Additionally, think about the seller's location to manage shipping times and costs. Lastly, decide whether you prefer to buy it now at a fixed price or participate in an auction for potentially better deals. Next, let's talk about seller reputation. Before committing to a purchase, you want to ensure that the seller is trustworthy. Look for sellers with a 99% or higher positive feedback rating. This ensures that previous buyers have had satisfactory experiences. Click on the seller's name to access their profile and see detailed ratings. It's advisable to read recent reviews that highlight important factors such as shipping speed and product authenticity. Now it's time to thoroughly read the listing. This is crucial to making an informed decision. Start by examining the photos provided. They should be clear and taken from multiple angles, offering a comprehensive view of the watch. This visual examination helps you get a good look at the condition the watch is in. Speaking of condition, look for a detailed description in the listing. Check for any mentions of scratches, wear, or other signs of use. You want to be aware of what you're buying. Also, ensure you understand what kind of movement the watch has, be it automatic or quartz, and whether that suits your preference. Band material and size are also key details to note, as they affect both comfort and style. Lastly, see if the watch comes with its original box and papers. These can enhance the watch's authenticity and value, especially for collectors. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to purchasing your ideal watch on eBay with confidence. Happy shopping, and may the perfect timepiece soon grace your wrist.